When I started out, I didn't have enough cash to invest in 8-figure real estate portfolio. By leveraging... Hello, welcome back investor. In today's video, we are diving into the world of leveraging other people's money, or OPM, to build wealth through real estate investing. If you ever wonder how to get started in real estate with limited funds, this video is for you. I will discuss the requirements, the advantages and disadvantages, and how leveraging banks' money can help you to create a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. My name is Korianne and I'm excited to share more of my real estate investment journey with you. So let's get started. Before we explore the requirements for leveraging bank money, let's first understand why this strategy is so powerful. Leveraging allows you to amplify your returns and achieve higher profits by using borrowed funds to invest in properties. By utilizing investment loan, you can expand your real estate portfolio beyond what you would be possible with your own cash alone. I remember way back when I first started, we had about 200,000 equity in our first rental property. I exchanged that property for 5 properties outside of California by leveraging the bank money. I used the 200,000 to fund down payments for 5 investment properties. The first 4 properties require us to have 20% down, and the 5th property required 25% down. Given the leverage, I was able to control 7-figure real estate portfolio. I think without the leverage, it's impossible for me to save $1 million to buy these 5 properties outright with cash from the beginning. And I would not have been able to build my real estate portfolio at the speed that I did. So what are the requirements for obtaining an investment loan? The specifics may vary depending on the lender, but typically they will consider factors such as your credit score, income stability, debt to income ratio, and the property's potential for generating rental income. It's crucial to maintain a good credit score and demonstrate a reliable income to increase your chances of loan approval. Each borrower can borrow up to 10 residential conventional loans as long as their credit, income, and rental income qualify for it. So if you have one primary home loan, then you can borrow 9 investment loans, so total of 10. When you invest in 1 to 4 units, this will qualify for residential conventional loans. 5 units and above will qualify for commercial loans. Before you decide to borrow money, you need to know about the advantages and disadvantages of leveraging other people's money. One major advantage is the ability to acquire more properties and diversify your portfolio. With leverage, you can invest in multiple properties simultaneously, accelerating your wealth building potential. Having one rental in California market was risky for us, given we put all our eggs in one basket. After having a great mentor, he shared with me the power of leverage that allowed me to spread my investment risk over 5 separate properties with better cash flow and overall returns. However, it's important to be aware of the risk involved. One key concern is the potential for negative cash flow. If your rental income falls short of all the expenses, including mortgage payments, taxes, maintenance, and other expenses, you may end up in a challenging financial situation. Additionally, market fluctuation can affect property value, which may impact your ability to repay the loans. I mentioned in other videos how important it is to detail due diligence on each property that you plan to invest in, and make sure that you do not over leverage. Do not invest and hope for appreciation to cover the negative cash flow. Only invest in cash flow properties that have rental income cover all of the expenses. So when the market downturns, you are not forced to do a panic sale, given your investment can sustain on its own. The power of leverage in taking on the calculated risk. Based on my real estate experience with the power of leverage. When I started out, I didn't have enough cash to invest in 8-figure real estate portfolio. By leveraging bank money, I was able to acquire properties and benefits from the rental income they generated. Over time, as the properties appreciated and the loan was paid off, I was able to trade up to bigger projects from the existing equity of the smaller projects and build equity over 5+ year period of investing in the right real estate market with a strong job and steady population growth. I have been able to create a generational wealth and establish a stream of passive income. Leveraging bank money can be a game changer, especially when you are just starting out. Instead of waiting years to save enough cash to invest, you can enter the real estate market sooner and capitalize on the opportunities available. It's important to note that successful leverage requires careful financial planning and property selections. Ensure that the rental income from your properties cover all expenses, including mortgage payment, taxes, insurance, maintenance costs, and other things. Aim for positive cash flow to safeguard against unforeseen circumstances and build a solid foundation for the long-term wealth creation. Imagine owning a portfolio of properties that are fully paid off after 30 years. Thanks to the rental income, not only will you have the portfolio of valuable assets, but you also enjoy consistent stream of passive income, providing financial security and the freedom to cut down on working years if you so choose. So that's it for today. Leveraging bank money to invest in real estate can be a game changer on your path to wealth creation. Remember, it's essential to carefully consider the requirements, pros and cons before embarking on this journey. So if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumb up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content on real estate investing. Share your thoughts and experience in the comment below about leveraging. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy investing. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao!
Das Einwegsportschaft. Viele von